What's going on, guys? Welcome to another video on Mr. Junior Dev. I hope you're all well. Today I'm going to be walking you through iterators, the findIndex method, and yeah, quick walkthrough. So let's get straight into it. So we sometimes want to find the location of an element in an array. That's where the findIndex method comes in. Calling findIndex on an array will return the index of the first element that evaluates to true in the callback function. Const jumble nums equals 1, 2, 3, 25, 78, 5, and 9. Const less than 10 equal to jumbled nums dot find index. Num return num smaller than 10. So jumbled nums is an array that contains elements that are numbers. Const less than 10 declares a new variable that stores the returned index number from invoking find index. The callback function is an arrow function that has a single parameter num. Each element in the jumbled nums array will be passed to this function as an argument. Num is smaller than 10 is the condition that elements are checked against findIndex will return the index of the first element, which evaluates to true for that condition. So let's take a look at what less than 10 evaluates to. Console.log less than 10 output is 3. If we checked what element has index of 3, console.log jumbled nums is at index of 3. Okay, so great. The element in index 3 is the number 5. This makes sense since 5 is the first element that is less than 10. If there isn't a single element in the array that satisfies the condition in the callback, then findIndex will return -1. Const greater than 1000 equal jumbled nums findIndex num return num greater than 1000 console.log greater than 1000 instructions. Number 1, invoke findIndex on the animals array to find the index of the element that has the value of elephant and save the return value to a constant variable named foundAnimal. So we're going to start off with const foundAnimal, and we'll take animals dot find index. And we're going to go ahead and return animal equal to elephant. Okay, so number 2, let's see if we can find the index of the first animal that starts with letter S. Call findIndex on the animals array and return the index of the first element that starts with S. Assign the returned value to a constant variable named starts with S. Okay, so start off with a const starts with S, and this is the animals. Find index animal. We're going to return animal is equal to anything with an S. What we're going to do is animal index 0 that's index 0 You actually got it right. Oh my goodness. I actually didn't know that one. Okay, but that's okay. Right, let's move on. Lucky guess. Okay, so let's go. Right. Right, guys, thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next video. Peace out.